Hi guys, this is Mr. Pharma. A Bachelor and Master of Science program is a specialized course designed to develop graduates with specialized practical skills. To ensure the students gain practical knowledge about the subject matter, they attend seminars, conferences, and workshops, etc. But do they possess sufficient knowledge, skills to get a job in pharma industry? Can any B.Sc M.Sc graduate get a job in pharma industry? Mostly no. Not all B.Sc M.Sc courses can get pharma jobs. For example, B.Sc Forestry has nothing to do with pharma. So you get the point, right? You can see a list of B.Sc courses, and the green highlighted courses have a higher opportunity in pharma industry compared to the other courses. Today I will take you through what are the pharma jobs you can get in pharma industry and the skills that you need to develop, the salary, etc. Welcome guys, this is Pharma Portal, the pharma you need to know, share and grow. So, as a B.Sc or M.Sc graduate, you may think, what is the scope of pharma jobs in India? So, let me explain the scope in future. India is the world's largest provider of generic medications by volume, accounting for 20% of the total worldwide pharma export. As of 2022, the pharmaceutical business will continue to thrive both internationally and in India. The high prevalence of disease, development of healthcare infrastructures, and healthcare financing will support the industry's growth majorly in India. India's domestic pharmaceutical market is estimated $42 billion US in 2021, and it is likely to reach around $65 billion US by 2020, and further it will expand to reach around 120 to 130 billion by 2030. In short, till diseases are there, medicines will be there. Till medicines are there, there will be a future for pharma jobs. If you are a B.Sc or a M.Sc graduate, and if you are looking a pharma job, you should know the divisions that are in pharma industry. Let us see the divisions in pharma industry. The first and major division in pharma industry is the drug industry, which is the major division that includes a subdivision where there is a drug manufactured for human or a veterinary product. The second is the raw materials manufacturing industry, or so-called API industry. API means active pharmaceutical ingredient. The third is the excipient manufacturing industry, which is nothing but the inactive ingredients other than the important active substance. The fourth segment is the medical device manufacturing industry, which is the second big segment next to the drug manufacturing industry. The fifth industry is the food and consumer goods industry. Though it is not a pharma industry division, it is considered as a pseudo pharma industry because it is a replica of a drug industry. The sixth industry is clinical research industry, which is also called CROs, where all the clinical research activities take place. And the seventh one are the pharma consultants or service-based firms, which support the core company submitting the drug products to the health agency. And finally, the herbal industry, which involves the manufacturing of herbal drug products. Now you know what are the divisions in pharma industry. Now you should know what are the departments in pharma industry that hire B.Sc and M.Sc fresh. The first department is Analytical and Research and Development, which is associated with research, and it is one of the best department in a pharma industry. And the second department is Quality Control, where you analyze the quality of the drug products. Third department is Quality Assurance, where you assure the quality of the product. And the fourth is the production and manufacturing, which involves in the production activity of the drug product. And fifth is packaging and development, where you will be involved in packaging and the development of the drug products. And sixth is the microbiology department. You are very much aware of this particular department. This particular department involves in assisting in clinical data as well as associated with service-based activities. So now we know what are the departments in pharma industry for B.Sc and M.Sc fresher jobs. So let us now see what is the job role for B.Sc and M.Sc specifically for fresher. So you may ask, why do we need to know about the roles? This is because if you know what is the role, you can search in LinkedIn or Naukri with this particular role name, and you can identify what are the roles and responsibilities for this particular job. So that is why I have mentioned all these 10 important roles for B.Sc and M.Sc. So go through it and search for the respective job in Naukri and LinkedIn. What are the skills a B.Sc or M.Sc fresher to possess to get a job in pharma industry? So in order to get a job, You should have a strong chemistry and analytical knowledge, and you should know the basics of pharma and its development stages. A minimum tool handling experience or basic knowledge on tools. You should have a good oral and written communication skill. A minimum computer skills, especially MS Excel. Minimum knowledge of pharmacopoeia, idea about health agencies and regulations, general products and current trends in the pharma industry. Minimum skills in record management, and most importantly, keen attention to details. These are the minimum skills which are mandatory for a B.Sc and M.Sc fresher. Let us now discuss the most important topic. An average fresher who is a B.Sc and M.Sc graduate, salary in India is in the pay range of 2.3 lakhs to 3.5 lakhs, depending on the company location, skills, etc. The average salary for a B.Sc and M.Sc graduate who is in quality control department earns around 2,80,000 per year. Depending on how fast you can learn and pick up new skills, your salary package is fixed. And people who have 3 years of experience have a package of 5 to 7 lakhs in an MNC company. Let's see based on the company and domain. A manufacturing company which is US FDA or Europe approved plant, a global MNC gives a 2.8 lakhs per annum. Whereas a US FDA Europe approved Indian MNC pays around 2.3 lakhs per annum. Whereas a WHO GMP approved plant, which is a non-MNC, pays around 2 lakhs per annum. But however, a clinical research organization pays around 3.2 lakhs per annum. And whereas a pharma consultant or a service-based firm, they pay around 3 lakhs per annum on an average. The common course preferred is a B.Sc and M.Sc chemistry, and the common job offered is quality control analyst. Here is a list of common tools that is used in quality control. So before you go for an interview, understand what are the tools that is needed for a particular job and go through these particular list of tools and understand their principle of work and what is it used for. This will really help during your interview because your questions will be related in tools handling. So wish you all the best. Hope you liked this video. Encourage us by hitting the like button. If you have any question, post it in the comments and share this video to your friends and family. Most importantly, subscribe and press the bell icon for regular notifications from our Pharma Portal channel. Bye.